Onto USDJPY. Here on the monthly time frame, you can see that we did have this pennant formation, which price broke out of, and last week rocketed up from moving average support after just tapping the 110.50 monthly support. The moving averages have crossed over towards the upside as we look towards this 117 monthly resistance level. However, you can see that where price sits currently is quite a crucial region. I mean, we've had multiple wick rejections. This was kind of early to mid 2017, and just prior to 2018 here, which formed the second point of the trend line. So this would have been our first target for the upside move. Then we may be seeing a slight pullback before firing higher, but given last month's candlestick closure, we are looking very, very bullish, and we have now actually just broken at the end of last week. We have just broken 2018 highs, so we are now at the highest point that price has been in 2018. So that's quite significant. It shows the dollar is the strongest it's been this year. It's literally peaking right now. We'll have to wait and see how much higher we can go before the year is out, and potentially extending into 2019. Could we be reaching all-time highs? So stepping down to the weekly time frame, here you can see tapped that weekly well, it was resistance and is now turned to support. Closed just below that last week to form a new high in the trend, and we've now just powered straight through that, kind of as if it wasn't there. So there's a potential, as you can see, as mentioned just a minute ago, there's a potential to reverse from this region. However, I do expect the price just to extend slightly higher to meet this Fibonacci extension region. As you can see, here is 100% A, B, C, right in that refined fib region, which was also formed a great test of that, a retest of the broken trend line, and then price has just continued upside. So yeah, I do expect price to come up and tap that that Fibonacci extension. Then we could be pulling back to this weekly support level to retest, potentially coming all the way back down to this level here to test these previous highs before then heading further upside, as we said, on the monthly all the way to 117 resistance. So if we have a look at that on the daily time frame, then the bullish price action is very clear here, and you can see how price is just riding on that moving average support, using it as a dynamic area of support. We stalled at this daily level here, pulled back slightly, and then just fired off into the distance. Momentum has picked up here, as you can see. We did have a push, retracement, a bit of consolidation here. Price was moving bullish, but wasn't so sure. We had a wick here showing a bit of indecision from this daily resistance level, which is now support. Pulled back here, and now you can see what looks to be 3 bullish candles forming. So momentum has picked up significantly, but as we approach this highlighted region here, I do expect price to stall or slow down. Definitely pull back to retest this weekly support. I mean, price does not just go up indefinitely or down indefinitely. We will have to see some form of break, some form of rest from the buyers to allow others to enter the market. onto the 8 hour time frame. Actually, if we step back up to the daily, so as we said on the weekly, we've fulfilled this 114,500, 114.50 level before pulling back. So this 113 does look like a good region to pull back to before heading higher, back down to the 8 hour. Then yeah, much the same again. There's not too much more to say. Just lower, higher highs, higher lows were formed, and again just push through that level. Um, and yeah, I mean, a lot of this is driven by dollar strength, um, which has picked up again. I'm not sure how much further I can see the dollar going, before at least a slight pullback. At some point, though, we will be seeing a big retracement of the dollar. I don't know whether we'll be pulling back from this region here to tap this 113 and then firing off to this green region, or whether we will just be pushing directly higher. But either way, um, I don't think I'm going to be entering. If I see a rejection from this 113.75, then yes, I will be entering long to at least the 114.50 level. If not, I'll be waiting for this level to be filled before shorting to my first target 113.75. Second target would be around the 113, the 113 support level. But yeah, I mean we'll have to wait and see what happens here. But at the moment, just bullish from the USDJPY.